Hello everybody, we are here in Upland, California, and guess where we are? We are in the old CNC Motors building. I think they've been closed down for a good year or two now, and everything looks to be all empty. Guess what this is going to be? There we are. This is going to be a Tesla. I think it's going to be a pickup and a service center. They have only 2 Tesla signs here. That used to be, I think it's a CNC Motors. What a great location for people living out in the Inland Empire and anywhere out east, to be honest. People are complaining about the Rancho Cucamonga's service center being way overbooked. There's no parking, and it's just not a good experience overall, to be honest. Here we are, look at that. We are not gonna go in the front because this is basically what they have here. Just a short, quick video, but I don't see anywhere that says that when they're scheduled to be opening. But this is great for the city. There's an In-N-Out right down there, a lot of shopping centers in Upland. What a great location for a Tesla service center. Alright guys, have a good day, take care, bye.